Planters are home to your plants. They grow in them, right? They spend their entire life there. Getting a little philosophical about plants. So, planters should be comfortable for your plants, good looking for you, and also within your budget. So, here are a couple of pointers we think will help you to find the right planter for you. The first and foremost important question to ask yourself is, what am I growing in it? For what I am buying that planter? You see, this question will help you gain clarity for what kind of planter you're looking for. If you're getting decorative plants for example your monstera, pothos, classic ceramic planters or metal planters would be a great choice. These are aesthetically appealing planters and they come in a range of color types, but they're also on the expensive side. So you can save up for them and splurge on a few planters. You can build up your collection with time. When growing veggies, on the other hand, go for the cheaper ones, such as the grow bags or the plastic pots. These mostly come in sets, but if you are environmentally conscious and you don't want to buy plastic, instead you can go for geofabric bags. These bags are a mixture of fabric and recycled plastic. They're durable, foldable, and they also come in different sizes. They're washable too, so very easy to maintain. In case you want to use pots for germinating or starting your seeds, you can use coir pots such as these or even miniature pots such as these. They look amazing, right? In fact, in terracotta pots, in this terracotta finish, you get a great range of sizes as well, up till 8 to 10 inches. You don't get much bigger than that because terracotta gets heavy with soil and with the huge plant. In fact, concrete is another option, but again, very heavy to move. Overall, from the material of a planter, you will know about its durability, its visual aspects, and the price as well. There is a wide range of sizes available in different kinds of planters. Your pot shouldn't be too small that there's not enough space for the roots to develop, nor it should be too big. Otherwise, it will compromise the growth of your plants. You can find the right size by keeping in mind what is the plant height, the plant that you're growing in that pot. When growing 2 to 4 feet tall plants, use a 6 to 8 inch deep pot. For 6 to 8 feet plants, go for 10 to 12 inch deep pots. Beyond 14 inch pot, moving them around will be close to impossible because the weight will be too much. In that case, you can just directly put your plant in the ground if that's a possibility. Otherwise, just divide the plant and try to grow in different pots. The scale that I've mentioned is not very scientific, only for your reference when you're going for indoor plants. When growing veggies, you would need a large size planter. Metal, ceramic, terracotta planters would be quite expensive in such big size, and they will be also very heavy. The ideal plants, I think, for veggies are grow bags or plastic pots. As beautiful as the pots may appear, they should also be within our budget, right? Usually the price is higher for aesthetically appealing planters because of the materials used in them, their design, the paint, the dye, etc. For example, when it comes to metal, wood or ceramics, since their making is more intricate, requires more time, sometimes they're also handmade, you will find them on the expensive side. Plastic, terracotta and fabric planters, on the other hand, are pocket friendly, but then they are limited in their designs, in their color availability and their finish. You can choose from a wide range of planters depending on your budget and your convenience and what you're trying to grow in them. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to check out our other videos as well and follow us here. I will see you very soon.